Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to sharing with you all my daily makeup routine. This is also a Nykaa BB cream first impression video. So let's get started. So firstly I am going to moisturize my face with the Plum moisturizer. I'm done with the moisturizer. So I'm now using a Nykaa BB cream with the SPF 30. They says it's for all-in-one cream. I'm using it on my face. This much dotted on my face. It's very good to cover the marks of redness. Now next I'm going to use a Maybelline pressed powder. This is the shade PO3. Now I'm going to pack it on my face. Now next I'm going to use a eyeliner. It's from Color Essence. It's very affordable. It costs me for 150 rupees. moisturize my lips. Now I'm using this blush palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm using this shade for my cheeks. So now next I'm going to use a Lakme lipstick for my lips. It's Lakme 925. The color shade is MR5 Rosette Motif. Now I'm going to fill my lips. So friends, this is my makeup look. I hope you will like it. So for me, Nykaa BB cream is very sticky in the starting when I'm applying it on my face, but after that it's absorbent in my skin and looks good on me. So if you want to buy it, go to the Nykaa website or Nykaa app, buy it for you. So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel for the further videos. Thank you very much. Bye.